Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Today we're discussing Boeing. So 737 MAX has got to go ahead. They had to make some alterations, but it's got to go ahead. So but it's not all good news. Boeing is being sued by a few companies for delays because of the 737 MAX and their airplanes being grounded because of it. Now, that's understandable as well. Boeing have had to let certain people go and outsource to Raytheon and a few other companies, which is good for those of us who held Raytheon. Anyway, the thing is, as I said, when the price is in perfect scenario, it isn't always perfect. Other thing is, another company to cancel 30 orders is Boc Aviation. Why? They've been buying up planes from all these aeroplane companies who are trying to stay afloat, and they now have so many planes on their books at cheap prices that they can rent out. So Boc Aviation are happy because they've picked up planes cheap, fairly new planes. These airplane companies are happy because they've managed to bring in emergency cash without putting debt on their books. Or granted, their stock has gone down, but when they're through this period, they will buy more stock, and I'm sure they'll be able to get a good deal as well. Now, Boeing versus Airbus. I said before how if you're going into Boeing for the defence arm, you're better off going for Raytheon or General Dynamics. At the time, General Dynamics was at 100, which is 50% reduction. Raytheon was at $50 a share, which is basically they were the same discount as Boeing at the time, and they pay a dividend, whereas Boeing wasn't. I said, if you really wanted an aeroplane maker, go into Airbus. And it came out a week later that the French government were giving Airbus $22 billion to weather the storm, to compete with Boeing, and so that the new Chinese company couldn't overtake the two of them. Now, people are saying, yeah, but Boeing's got money now. Yes, but Boeing had to give bonds and warrants, which means they have a higher level of debt, higher than before. So Airbus are in a better position, and they only have to remark some of them for green programs. Anyway, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.